So the network has new information on the forthcoming Samsung Galaxy smartphone chipset, and according to the newest reports, the processor might wind up in the Google Pixel. Samsung Galaxy S24 smartphones are popular partly owing to the high-end performance and energy efficiency given by the proprietary Exynos 2400 chipset, according to Business Korea has recently revealed that the next-generation Exynos 2500 chip would be the basis of the smartphone of the American customer in the second half of the year. Industry insiders think that this client will be Google, and we are discussing future Pixel smartphones. Earlier this month, media outlets claimed substantial progress in debugging the 3nm manufacturing technology used to produce the Exynos 2500 chipset. However, the defect rate is now more than 80%, and fewer than 40% of flaws are required for effective mass manufacturing. Despite this, the South Korean company informed stakeholders at the recent Samsung Foundry Forum that debugging of the 3nm process technology is going along as planned. Samsung hopes to begin commercial manufacturing of the Exynos 2500 chipset in the second half of this year. As part of the company's partnership with Google, the new chip is anticipated to serve as the basis for the future Galaxy S25 flagship smartphones. Samsung has long collaborated with the American company on the Android ecosystem. If the future Pixel smartphones are indeed equipped with Exynos 2500 chipsets, it will mean a shift in the partnership for the two companies and a demonstration of mutual trust in Samsung technology. As the smartphone market remains fiercely competitive, Samsung is working to improve its Exynos chipsets as part of a larger strategy to maintain a competitive edge. Customers want each new generation of chipsets to be more powerful and energy efficient, therefore Samsung's efforts to improve its smartphone CPUs are critical. According to previous Sam Mobile rumors, the forthcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra CPU will be the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.